修理
修理係指將壞咗或失靈嘅東西修復正常運作。
In English, it can be translated as repair or fix.
工程師迅速修理了損壞的機器，恢復了生產線的運作。
The engineer quickly repaired the broken machine and restored the production line.
維修隊伍正在修理道路，以確保交通安全暢順。
The maintenance team is repairing the road to ensure smooth and safe traffic.
他專業地修理了電子產品，贏得了客戶的信任。
He professionally repaired the electronic products and earned the customer's trust.